Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use Save My Oil Transfer. This is just a small kit that can help you transfer your oil from one to another. And it's kind of small, so you could keep this anywhere you want. This is what it looks like when you open it up. What you want to do is, on most of them, you could unscrew these tops. If not, you have to figure out another way to actually get it off. And now I just want to place this one down here. Sometimes these are going to be a little bit tight when you first get it because we want these to last for a long time. You can see there, it'll stay in there. So that's the one that I want to actually put in another one. What I'm going to do is take this cylinder filler. You could use a toothpick if you have one. Put that in there. And now what I'm going to do is pull this out a little bit. Put this on so it keeps it straight and connected. And then put this right on here. Now we have it connected, and what I'm gonna do is flip this over. Sometimes I like to put it on a little bit of an edge so that way it will stick to that glass. And that is how that is set up right now.